Start recording.
I record.
Hello? Okay, you guys ready?
Yeah.
You look so happy. Hello. On my screen, I have my camera, Rad's camera, and then the gameplay. The gameplay wall is protecting us from Furious, the Turkish man.
I feel safe.
What?
Huh?
But before the video starts, I'd like to thank today's sponsor, which is Free Cash. You can sign up for free using the link in the description. Now, Free Cash is a site where you earn money by completing simple tasks like downloading apps, playing games, taking surveys, watching videos, and many other ways. This is the earn page where you find the offers available for you. Usually the featured offers are the best. For example, this is simply a task where I play Entropia for 20 minutes and I get $1.2. And for this task, you just have to install and open TikTok and you get $1.05. On average, every day users cash out a total of $50,000 by just completing tasks. You could be part of these people. And they've got over 6 million users, 20,000 Trustpilot reviews. So thank you Free Cash for sponsoring this video intro. And remember to use the link in the description if you want to try them. I just want to say, before we start, Furious, you are so ungodly hairy.
I know, bro. Look.
Oh!
Bigfoot sighting.
Bro, you know
Damn.
Are you ready to see Bigfoot? Boy, what the hell? Boy, what the hell? Sasquatch in 4K.
You guys ready?
What we're doing today is a 200 case battle. We have 200 cases here. We're doing dreams and nightmares. But what we're doing is we're doing a twist on it. Usually, you know, you open cases, you get a knife, you're happy, you win everyone else's skins. Not today. Today, the loser wins everything.
This is the dumbest idea ever, I swear.
Yeah. Lowest value wins everyone else's skins.
I'll just let you know, I'm not going to pay up. For
As soon as the video's over, if you lose, you just disconnect.
yeah.
Most honorable Saudi man says even before, like, just so you know, just to inform you, I am not playing by the
Disclaimer,
rules.
man.
Yeah, Ronaldo before the game. Just so you know, I'm not playing by the rules. I have brought a handgun to the field. I see that we all have the cases up. We are ready to go, okay?
3, 2,
Let's
1, go.
Case has been opened. First case.
Knife, first case.
Yeah, I'm looking hell on my other screen here, worried.
Ah,
Oh, okay. 200, that's 600 cases total. That means we'll be in odds for a knife. Wait,
I
Rod.
already unboxed it.
Oh, you
What?
did? Ooh!
Yep, I'm fast, bro.
Furious
I have
in
a problem.
bed.
Yeah,
Oh, no.
problem, bro.
Oh no.
Yes!
Okay.
Regularly, I would be in the lead, but now I am the bottom because I have the most value. The good thing with this is it shows compassion, so I want you guys to get good skins now, you know?
but
Usually,
at what cost?
I have a bad feeling, man.
Furious, how many cases have you opened without a knife?
It has to be at least like 2,000 or something.
Really?
And it's been so long, bro.
I saw the red. That means you're gonna get the knife today, right? Surely.
I hope not.
Surely.
Stat track purple.
Wait, that's the purple USP. That's expensive. Check how much it is.
Nah, cap.
Let me see. Minimum wear, 5.3 euro. Wait, that's
Yeah,
gonna be more than my pink.
No.
Yeah, my pink
Okay.
is only 1.9
No!
euro. Rod's losing now. Yes. This is the only time ever when you're unboxing cases where you don't want
want
the
a
knife.
knife.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you're hoping you don't get the knife. Furious, look what I unboxed.
Damn, that reminds me of a McLaren.
Jokes like that, Furious, is why LG kicked you. I love that the Rod already stated he is not playing by the rules.
I'm not, just so you know.
Oh, nay!
Yes!
Let's see, how much is it?
I got a stat track M4.
How much is it worth?
Furious's M4 is 8.4 euro. MP9? Oh no, 18 euro. Rod's winning now. How did it change so quickly?
Ah, yalla, next case, next case.
Let's go.
I need my money now. Here's where my friends both get knives.
No. Oh,
Oh my god.
oh,
was
you
close,
landed
that was
next
close.
to the AK.
I got this fucking soda for the fourth time in a row, bro.
How many times did you say? Turkish man struggling with the first three numbers. Alright, let's go. The first three numbers are proving too hard. Oh, okay. I'm just waiting to see that sweet yellow icon in the Discord. Oh. Nay!
Oh my
Also-
god.
oh my
another stat track.
Damn, that looks really good, bro. Congrats on that opening. Holy shit.
We want the best for you only.
Shut the fuck up. 2.5 euro, no. So I'm over 20 euro now.
There's just a feeling inside of me, man.
Said the prisoner on his first day in jail.
While dropping the soap.
No! Battle's call.
Oh, okay. Someone is gonna open a knife. I already feel it. 3, 2,
3, 2,
1,
1, go.
Yay! Woo! Oh.
No!
Oh my god! Oh my god! Yo! Yo! He got knife! He got knife! Shadow daggers! Red water! Run, no way!
I got you you, bro. Yes.
There's no way.
How much is this even worth? Wait, hold on. It could be worth nothing, Bone.
It's like 60, 70 euro. Let's be honest, Shadow Dagger's Bright Water is 70 euro. That can be beaten only with reds. We are not safe yet. Let's keep going.
Don't celebrate too early.
Yeah, I don't want to celebrate too early. Let's keep going. Imagine, Rad, if you get 2 knives.
Then I'm sorry, but I already stated before we started playing. I made my disclaimer. Is it even considered hating if I want you guys to get a knife now?
Yes.
I hope both of you unbox the most insane, expensive knives.
Imagine if someone opens like an emerald or something.
Oh, again.
Yes!
Stat Trek.
Stat Trek.
Star Trek!
Minimal wear.
Star Trek minimal wear! Oh, wait, how much? Let me check. 8 euro! I got one skin that was 18 and I thought I was in the hole forever because of that, but now you're kind of catching up. Wait, what the fuck? I just realized. Furious, look at my G Fuel can. It looks like your shirt!
Oh, what
It's
the
your
fuck?
fucking t-shirt, bro!
Yo, it's all the design from G-Fuel.
I'm still losing.
Listen, man, all I'm saying is I've never unboxed this many pinks.
Really?
Yeah, blue, blue, blue.
Oh god, it looks like I'm jerking 2 cocks. That is like haram 100.
But how is your CSGO adventures going?
Oh no, not good as you can see.
So what did you get?
Rapid eye movement, field tested. 2.5 euro, yeah, that's not too bad.
I have a terrible feeling. I know, it's coming closer, man. Oh,
Yes, Furious. No, it's battle
much is
scarred.
that?
No, it's field tested.
How much is that?
6.8 euro. So you're catching up.
We'll calculate it at the end.
God, why you got jerk paper by your PC, bro? Can I buy that napkin?
1,000 euro.
E-girls be like.
Yalla, look, the next case.
Rad is not having it, bro.
God's not having it. He's losing his knife.
No!
Oh! Oi, 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 oi.
Oh my, that could be more than the knife. What is it? What is it? What is it?
No, it's field tested.
Bro, I just unboxed a red, hello!
23 euro. I'm winning now. I'm
Fury's
winning.
catching up to me.
Okay, let's go again.
Go, 3, 2, 1, go.
If I ever, like, get a gold on top of this all, I'll end it all.
I'll end it all. This shit's so stressful.
I
It
hate
is, I
this.
swear.
Come on.
Listen, stop doing this.
That's how you cheer, though. Like, yeah.
In Sweden, they do this.
Hey, yo.
We're soon at the halfway mark, and I am looking very good. Not physically, though, but statistically. Yeah.
Wait. I'm still
I already unboxed.
You already
sorry.
opened, bro?
Okay,
ADHD.
no,
Oh, shit.
no,
What
no,
the fuck? So we're exactly halfway now, and I am winning. I have the least value for sure now.
Yeah.
Yes! Okay, let's go again. Another 20.
Yalla, 3, 2, 1, go.
Yalla, 31 go. You just want to get it over with. You're like fully case opening addict. Good.
Bro, who the fuck joined my shit? Who's Bread Maker 85?
Bread maker 85. Huh? Someone invited me now.
Is it Bread Maker 85?
I don't know. Let's see. No, Idan. He's from Israel. Rad, what do you think about that? The last one like this we did, me, Samson, Arctic. I opened a knife and I lost it. Falcon Black Laminate. I lost it.
Shitty ass knife.
It's still a knife that I opened.
How the turntables.
Oh, nope.
Another one, bro. What is this, man?
You're getting absolutely fist fucked. One of these cases could change the entire thing. If I get a knife that's over 70 euro, I'm automatically losing.
I like to hear that.
But it's not gonna happen.
I don't like to hear that.
My luck is so lucky that it knows when to be unlucky.
Look, now you're gonna get emerald butter.
Yeah, I'm gonna eat my whole words,
Yeah.
everything. Absolute Capstar just opens like most expensive knife possible.
Stat Track Emerald Butterfly Factory New. Obama doing a backflip pattern. Yeah.
I can see your streams like both at once.
There's a button you press.
Oh shit, I never knew that. What the fuck?
Kebab man doesn't see button.
Bro, your PC is a fucking potato, bro. Why is it
Wait,
taking slow?
no, it says your stream is paused.
Yeah, cause he's tabbed out.
Okay. Oh, okay, I didn't know. Alright.
Oh my god!
Oh my
Did you?
God.
What?
Wait, what happened?
Android PC!
What happened?
Frying, bro.
Your CPU is on fire, bro! I just need to continue to ride this unlucky wave and then I'm chilling.
Until the last case where you unbox it.
Imagine.
Come
hold
on, man. Why don't my friends get knives?
His screen went plonky again. Wait, do what you just did.
I just all tabbed.
Yeah,
Yeah, I'll tab and then
I'll
come
tab.
back.
I almost did like this again, bro. Shit. Oh
Yes.
no. Okay, 60 cents, bro. I'm chill.
Yeah, you're fine.
Furious bin Mehmet!
Oh, Star Trek Night Terror for God! Is it battle scored?
Yeah.
You are at €100 probably.
It's okay, bro.
Is it?
Yeah, because I already told you guys I'm not gonna fucking pay up.
At this point, it doesn't even matter who wins, bro. What are these cases?
Well, I mean, shit. I'll gladly take the Shadow Daggers Brightwater. They fit my loadout, actually.
They fit your asshole.
Yeah,
Yeah.
3, 2, 1,
What do you mean they
what
fit
the-
my asshole?
What
What
the
the hell?
fuck?
They're butt plugs, no?
Putt plug.
They're
They're putt plugs. Ooh, yeah. Ooh. This concept I need to do more often, because this is how you win skins for free, man.
For free.
Paying for 200 cases to win one Shadow Daggers Brightwater. Nay! That's bad. €4. Yes, that's nothing, bro. Yes! Rad's gonna open another knife, bro. I feel it. I was wondering if yeah!
Alright, one second, I'm just gonna go pee.
Can you save some for me? So now it's just you and me here, Furious. Oh my god. Bro, you're so fucking hairy. What the?
I am, yeah.
What's your piss nice?
Yeah, it was pretty good.
How did it taste?
Excuse me? Least freaky turd. We're doing well. We're doing well. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah.
I'm doing well, actually.
We're doing fucking terrible.
Oh, thank you. 3 left. Then we
Yep.
only have 20. And then I'm gonna be claiming victory. Yes,
Please,
sir.
just get a knife in those 20 cases.
If I do, I really have to, like, eat my hat or something, you know? Like, I've been chatting so much shit now. Last 20. Yeah, exactly. Last 20. Now we have so few cases left that surely it's not gonna change.
Surely.
Surely I'm just gonna cash in on a free knife, which wasn't free, because I paid like €600 for the case.
Sorry, I agreed to winner takes all, by the way.
Changes rules at the finish line.
No, but if I think that way, then you're gonna get a knife now.
That's not how it works. Not how it works.
It is.
Oh
It is.
my god. If I get another
Oh my god, God! Yes! Yes!
Winner takes all, bro. Winner takes all.
Winner takes all.
Thank God I made my disclaimer before we started, but fuck you, I'm not.
Wait, show it.
No!
Let me see, is it field tested? Yeah. €88, bro. It's even more
it's
than your
not
last knife.
I honestly thought it was more. Never in my life have I gotten 2 knives in a single case opening. Fuck you! Fuck this, I'm tilt opening the last 5.
No, stop. So we have a total of 15 cases left. Nothing's gonna change now, probably, right? Surely the standings can change.
Get
This is
knives.
funny. I opened a spirit board so you can contact your shadow daggers, Rad.
If this is a pink, I'm gonna kill myself.
I must have one. Okay, let's
We have
double
to
check.
What are you doing?
No, Rad, you're hiding your knives, bro.
I
What the-
didn't hide anything.
Bro, you're
but
like
I
the
have
rich
my-
Americans who are just putting money in offshore accounts,
No.
hiding it. Let's see who won, okay? So in the last 200, I got the MP9, that's €18, 8 pinks. How many did you get?
I got 2 reds, 1 pink in stat track, and 8 normal pinks. And then I got a shit ton of night terrors.
Wait, how many night terrors did you get?
2 stat track, 6 normal.
Okay, that's good because I got 5 normals, no stat tracks. I won! I fucking
Yeah,
won!
I think you won, bro.
Yes! Rod!
I'm gonna get it back in blood, though. I don't care.
That was very good. I'm very happy for that. Thank you guys for joining on
Fuck you.
So I spent €600 and I got knives for like €150. That's great. That's math, guys. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Guys, wave...
No, I'll sell you this recording for 200 pounds.